Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. My name is Mem, and today we are going to practice English speaking and listening.
If you are a beginner, don't worry. This video is very easy and very helpful for you. Today, I have a guest with me. His name is Rafat.
Hello, Rafat. Welcome to our channel.
Hello, Mem. Thank you so much for having me.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
Rafat, how is your day going?
My day is going well. I woke up early and had breakfast.
That's nice. What did you have for breakfast?
I had bread, eggs, and a cup of tea.
Sounds good. Do you usually wake up early?
Yes, I do. I like to wake up early in the morning.
That's a good habit. What about your morning routine?
First, I brush my teeth. Then, I take a shower and get ready for the day.
Very good. Friends, listen carefully and try to repeat these sentences at home.
I am a student. I study English and other subjects.
Why do you want to learn English?
I want to learn English because it is very important. It helps me communicate with people.
That's true. Do you practice English every day?
Yes, I try to practice every day. I watch English videos and speak with friends.
That's great. What do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I watch movies and listen to music.
Do you like English movies?
Yes, I like English movies very much. They help me improve my listening skills.
Yes, of course.
Where are you from?
I am from Bangladesh.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is biryani.
Nice choice. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you like traveling?
Friends, these are very common questions. Practice them again and again.
Sure.
What is your advice for learning English?
My advice is simple. Practice English every day. Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
That's very important. Mistakes help us learn.
Yes, exactly. Speak slowly and clearly.
Friends, remember one thing. English is not difficult. You just need practice and confidence.
Yes, keep practicing and never give up.
Thank you so much, Rafat, for joining us today.
Thank you, Mem. It was a great experience.
Rafat, now let's talk about family.
Okay, sure.
Do you have a big family or a small family?
I have a small family.
How many members are there in your family?
There are 4 members in my family.
Who are they?
My father, my mother, my sister, and me.
What does your father do?
My father is a businessman.
And your mother?
My mother is a housewife.
Do you help your parents at home?
Yes, I help them whenever I can.
Rifat, what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are reading books and playing football.
When do you play football?
I play football in the evening.
Who do you play with?
I play with my friends.
Do you like indoor games?
Yes, I like indoor games too.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is learning new things.
That's a great hobby. Now, friends, repeat after me.
Hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I am fine, thank you.
What do you do?
I am learning English.
I am learning English.
Very good. Practice these sentences every day. Rafat, let's do a short role play.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello, how can I help you?
I want a cup of coffee, please.
Sure. Anything else?
No, thank you.
Here is your coffee.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Friends, this is a very common conversation. Rifat, can you share one English tip?
Yes. Listen to English every day.
That's a good tip. My tip is speak English in front of a mirror.
Yes, it helps a lot.
Friends, learn one new word every day.
And use that word in a sentence.
Friends, thank you for watching this video.
We hope this video helps you improve your English.
Rifat, how is the weather today?
The weather is good today.
Is it hot or cold?
It is a little hot.
Do you like hot weather?
No, I don't like hot weather.
What kind of weather do you like?
I like cool and rainy weather.
That's nice. Friends, weather conversation is very common in English. Rifat, what are your future plans?
I want to improve my English
Why do you want to improve your English?
because English will help me in my career.
What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be a successful person.
That's a great goal. Do you believe in hard work?
Yes, I believe in hard work.
Very good. Rifat, what do you like to do?
I like to watch YouTube and learn new things.
What do you dislike?
I don't like wasting time.
Do you like speaking English?
Yes, I like speaking English, but I feel shy sometimes.
That's okay. Practice will remove your fear. Friends, now let's practice simple sentences.
I like tea.
I like tea.
I am learning English.
I am learning English. I speak English every day.
I speak English every day.
Excellent. Say these sentences loudly. Hello.
Hello, how can I help you?
How much is this shirt?
It is 500 taka.
Can you reduce the price?
Yes, I can give you a discount.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Friends, this is a very useful conversation. Rifat, many beginners are afraid of English.
Yes, but they should not be afraid.
What should they do?
They should start with small sentences.
Yes, and speak every day.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Friends, believe in yourself. Friends, thank you for staying with us.
Practice English every day.
If you enjoyed this video,
Please like, comment, and subscribe.
see you in the next video.
Bye-bye.